Hi friends, now we in the Clark. We walking here in this place. It's a very good place for walk, for run, for jogging here. Good exercise. Very good weather here. Fresh air always. It's place location near Marriott Hotel. We're going to near Marriott Hotel. And also I will show they have massage place. Here have massage, coffee shop, 7-Eleven. So many cars parking here. It means have customers. Spicy Korean, spicy restaurant. Dory. Yes, this is coffee shop open. KTV also.
Ikaw na taga rito.
Korean restaurant Shabu Shabu. Punta office, Punta Group office. This place location near Marriott Hotel. Also they have Castle Hotel. Maybe Chinese hotel. Castle. And look like Castle. I will check. A good location this hotel. Near gasoline station also. This is Han Casino Resort. Opened maybe 4 months ago only. It's new.